name is Hằng Bựa. Today I want to show you to reading Day of the Dead and Peter's Dog. First, read it first. Day of the Dead. I arrived in Baltimore on the Day of the Dead, November 1st. I'm curious about this holiday, so I go to the cemetery to see what's happening. What I find is quite interesting. The atmosphere is like a party. There are people everywhere. Families are sitting around the graves of their dead ancestors. They clean the graves and add fresh flowers. I walked through the cemetery and admired the beauty of all the colorful flowers. There is also color in the sky, because many kids are flying kites. Some families are having a picnic next to the graves. They eat, drink, and chat together. People laugh and smile. In the United States, cemeteries are always somber. We certainly never have festivals or parties next to graves. We don't laugh or play music or fly kites in cemetery either. I find that I prefer the watermelon approach. I like the way they remember and celebrate those who have passed away. I like that they acknowledge death instead of denying it the way Americans do. I like that there is life as well as death in their cemeteries. Watermelons call this the Day of Death, but it is also a day to appreciate life. Second reading. Peter's Dog. My cousin Peter has a dog. It is an intelligent pet with a short tail and big black eyes. Its name is Kiki, and it likes its bark. However, it never bites anyone. Sometimes it barks when strange guests visit. To be honest, it is very friendly. It doesn't like eating fruits, but it often plays with them. When the weather becomes bad, it just lives in his cage all day. Peter plays with Kiki every day after school. There are many people on the road, so Peter just lets the dog into the road. He often takes Kiki to a large field to enjoy the peace there. Kiki sometimes is naughty, but Peter loves it very much. That's all. Bye, teacher.